In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal business account limits. Understanding these limits is really important because they can affect how much money you're able to send, receive, and withdraw from your account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find that information inside your PayPal dashboard and what you're looking at once you get there. Let's start from the beginning. First, sign into your PayPal account using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is the page where you typically see your recent activity and your available balance. From here, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon, which might appear as your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled Account Settings and select it. This will open a new page dedicated to all your account configuration options, including security, notifications, and access settings. It may take a second to load, so just wait until the page is fully visible. Once you're on the Account Settings page, make sure you're in the Account Access tab. PayPal sometimes organizes settings under different headings, so double check that you've selected the correct section. The Account Access tab is where PayPal groups everything related to how your account can be used. On this page, look for a row labeled Limits. This row describes the restrictions that may apply to your business account. On the right-hand side of that same row, you'll see a View button. Click that button to open the Detailed Limits page. After clicking View, you'll be taken to a screen that shows all the important limits applied to your business account. Here, you'll see information about your withdrawal limit, which is how much money you can move out of PayPal to your bank or card. You'll also see your sending limit, which controls how much you can send to others, and your receiving limit, which affects how much you can receive into your account. In some cases, you may also see a balance limit, indicating the maximum amount you're allowed to hold in your PayPal balance. Take a moment to review each of these sections carefully. If you notice that any limit feels too restrictive, this is usually a sign that you may need to complete additional verification steps with PayPal, such as confirming your identity or adding more business information. Those options are typically available on the same page or elsewhere in your account settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to quickly locate and review your PayPal business account limits so you can manage your transactions with confidence.